starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going just under 5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you. You too. It says, please make sure not to ring the doorbell or knock. Thank you. I will try to remember that. Total for that order was $8 and change. How is this the only order right now? I've been sitting here waiting for like 15 minutes, and the first order that I get is a chain pizza going across the river. This one is going 6.5 miles. So what are the odds that this one pays out at least $13? I'm thinking not very high.
This and then a 2-liter root beer.
Gotcha. Thank you. I take everything back. Total for that order was $17. Okay, thank you very much. Actually a good order. And I got the next order right away. This one probably has no tip on it, but this is a Starbucks going 1 mile. Also, now that I've thought about it a little bit, I guess I can see why they do order from Champ Pizza this early. I don't know of any other pizza places that deliver at like 5 in the morning. It's not 5 in the morning, by the way, but you get the idea. Oh my God, this wind. Holy, that's cold. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You know where are we going to?
I don't know which way. It's 135.
135 is down the hall, first right, all the way down, take another right.
Thank you. The wind over here is insane right now. I thought that exit door was locked, but it was just the wind pressure keeping it shut on me. Yeah, I was right. Total for that was $6 and change. No tip. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A going 7 miles. A lot of the mileage here was coming back into my zone. Still high on mileage though. Thank you. Bit of a wait there, but we got it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yep.
Have a good day.
You too. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $7 and change. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going just under 2 miles. You too. Hello. Savannah? Yeah. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. No tip. Total ended up being $4 and change. We got the next order. This is Kitchen Table Cafe going 7 miles. Lots of high mileage today already.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day.
You as well. Well, this is a first. I've never delivered to a campground before. Total for that order was $16. I am kind of in the middle of nowhere though, but still a good order. Still driving back into my zone, but they just gave me an order for Starbucks going 5 miles. And for some reason, they're giving me that bonus pay that says, here's an extra $1 for leaving your zone. Even though I'm pretty sure this is actually taking me into my zone. I don't know. I'm not gonna question it too much. Gimme, gimme.
This is back for you.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, that is actually outside of my zone, so not by much, but I'll take it. Total ended up being $8 for that one, and it only took me 13 minutes. We are back at Kitchen Table Cafe. This one is going 2.5 miles. Hello.
Tracy?
Yeah, thank you. Total for that one was $8. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 2 miles.
Ubereats.
Thank you. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $8 going just under 3 miles. Yeah.
Perfect. Do you want a sample too? We've got matcha with strawberry foam.
Sure.
Yeah, have it. Enjoy.
Thank you. What did you say that was? Matcha and strawberry? Cheers, my friends. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $9 going 4 miles, 4 items. Oh right, the Starbucks review. Honestly, it was very strawberry forward and it was very one note. If I had to compare it to anything, melted strawberry ice cream, but it was cold. I just got here and I think they added an item to this order. Pretty sure it was 4 items. Maybe I read it wrong. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one is $10 going 4.5 miles. Just pulled up and they're giving me an add-on. It is an extra $5 going less than a mile.
Is the orange juice?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. I was like, can't forget that one.
I don't know about you guys, but I could go for some lunch. Current time is 10:20. Current total, we are at 104. And I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, so that should bring it to at least 114. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.